मुझे वाला काम कर रहा है।
Dr. Venkatesh, you are not audible.
Good evening to everyone. I am audible, I hope.
Yeah, now you are audible.
And I am visible too.
Yes, Dr. Venkatesh.
So I need your feedback because today Sunday evening, many may be leaving their important tasks or they may be going to their busy tasks from tomorrow. So calling with our this special webinar today, I congratulate each and every one of you. In fact, I wish to call everyone by their names, but due to the time constraint, we will move ahead today's agenda. Everybody today looking into the season like Diwali season, some other festival season. Right now it's going on some Navratri, and after that it will be followed by Diwali. So the whole month of this October is going to keep you in busy. So many people may be thinking of filling the form to the MDS exam, NEET exam. I never care about this NEET exam, that's why I don't know the dates. Sorry for that. So this is the right time to settle one issue. First of all, I want to clarify one thing. Today we let us talk, think, practice about the truth only today, because truth is the only thing that it is not relative. Truth should be truth for you also, for me also, for the society also. So here there is no bluffing. I will talk about facts and figures. There is no sentiment. There is no emotional things attached to anything. Go with the rational approach. So you can, I think we did not keep the control with us. You can come anytime if you feel you have any doubts or clarification or you want to add something. So you can unmute yourself and come in. We will talk about only the truth today. So firstly, we'll get into the agenda today. So before getting inside the webinar, let us have these terms between us. So you may be BDS or MDS. If you think my BDS graduation is enough, I am happy with my practice and I don't need any career advice, then this webinar is not for you. If you think, if you believe what you think, that MDS is the secret key, currently I am happy with my BDS and I am sure once I become MDS, all my problems will be solved, including my monetary problems, emotional problems, any other personal takes. Everything will be solved if the once I get into MDS and I finish my MDS. If you think so, then it is an obsession. In fact, if you have that obsession, then this webinar is not for you. In fact, the question, the very same question brought you here, but if you have that obsession, no, certainly not, then this webinar may not be helpful to you. Again the MDS secret key. By becoming MDS, I would be able to get more patients in my clinic. I will be called for consultations across my area. I won't say it across my state or across the country. So if you think so, if you have that obsession, then this webinar is not for you. If you strongly believe there is no other opportunities other than MDS as a struggling BDS, if you are happy with BDS, that is different issue. I will come to that later. So if you think in that obsession, then you have to think this webinar is not for you. Dentistry is not my main source of earning, so I am not bothered about my dentist career anymore. Just for the sake of time pass or just for the sake of having the degree, I have had it. Then also this webinar is not for you. If you believe enough is enough, I have done my BDS, then also this webinar is not for you. If you are thinking you are keen to secure a better future, not only for myself but for betterment of my society, then this webinar is for you. Here I want to stress one terminology: affirmative dentistry. Anybody here can type yes or no. I will explain anyhow what is affirmative dentistry. Very much needed in today's scenario. You should be knowing what is affirmative dentistry. Type in the chat box so that I will come to know that you are listening to me. Do you know what is affirmative dentistry or not? Just type yes or no in the chat box. Accordingly, I will. See, it's not enough. You have to tell yes or no. I told you we will talk about truth only today. No bluffing, no roundabouts, no emotional things, only rational approach. Whatever I am saying in my words, I am accountable. You can hold me. What is affirmative dentistry? If you don't know, I will explain you. Very, very important terminology. The affirmative dentistry means, I will take this webinar very interesting. Don't think you are appearing some exam. Be casual. What is affirmative dentistry? I will tell you by an example. If a judge is sitting in the court and he is delivering the judgment, it is normal judiciary. When the judge is coming out of his chamber, going to public, taking the case on his own suo motu and delivering the justice, that is called affirmative judiciary. Now you understand what is affirmative dentistry. A person getting his BDS or MDS, getting inside the clinic, seeing the patient, treating the patient, getting the money, this is normal dentistry, routine dentistry, professional dentistry. The moment you get out of your chamber, going to the public, I am not talking about conducting dental camps, that is marketing as per the public view. Affirmative dentistry in the sense, out of this routine dentistry, if you are really working on what is needed with some affirmation, that is called affirmative dentistry, which is missing today. That is the reason people are not liking. Common public, what they are thinking, dentists are taking more than what they are doing, because we did not care about affirmative dentistry. So today I am going to introduce the councils for affirmative dentistry today, later in this webinar. So if the lecture is for you, then you should be willing to think beyond scaling, filling, drilling and plucking. Many people criticizing these terminologies. But you tell me, the terminology itself is wrong, not wrong. But when you are obsessed with these things, and if you think by doing this you have to get all the facilities, then you have to think about it. I am considering to pursue MDS, but I am in a dilemma about the future, then this lecture is for you. So from this webinar, what you will get? You will get complete, total, holistic, promising view about options after BDS, ideal for a dentist like no other. You will get it. That is my promise. So get complete clarity by the end of the webinar. Those fields relevant for you for even post of scenario, post-COVID scenario also, you will get it solved. So those specialties that are new career opportunities, which is challenging, fascinating and rewarding, will be discussed here today. And stay till the end. There will be a cool offer for you, only for staying till the end, because this is not some exhibition going on that we are going to show something funny things. Not like that. It's very serious issue. Today why we selected, because of the opportunity we got today, and demand also there. Many people requested to run this webinar because they are totally confused. Not confused, they are totally confused. So let me try to help them out. So we will definitely explore the harsh reality, and it will be hard to digest most of you. So if you get into that situation, please be calm, quiet, take deep breath. Don't leave the webinar, because when we talk about reality, you should be courageous to face the fact. Definitely, I am not a hit and run person. I am not spoiling something and going and leaving you in between in the dark. I will give you the solution step by step. You can hold me accountable. I will give you the solution definitely. So, what are all the big concerns for the dentist? There are 4. Do you ever feel like this? The overcrowdedness of the dentistry. There are many people in your street. You are sinking in the population of the dentists. You are not alone. As per even WHO, we need every 7,500 patients one dentist. But today, you see the year, in 2012 itself, we are 1:5,000. That means the ratio is not favorable to the dentist. There is definitely no low return of investment. Whatever you have invested in your studies, you are not getting back. You spent lakhs in your studies, but you are not thinking of the profit. There is a government order. It is belonging to National Capital Region, Delhi. They are saying unskilled laborer should be getting 534 rupees per day. That means monthly they have to get 13,896 rupees, unskilled people. Semi-skilled people, they have to get 15,296 rupees. Skilled people, they have to get 16,000. Now you think whether you are coming under which category, skilled or semi-skilled or unskilled. This is about, if you are running your clinic, this should be, the per month income should be this much, so that you can pay. You have to get at least 5 times more than that of his income, so that you can pay to your assistant. And the GO is shocking that it is binding the employer. If you are not able to pay this much to the categories, then there will be punishment up to imprisonment. So in this scenario, you think about running a business called dental clinic with the random approach. Just I have had a degree, bachelor's or master's, I opened my clinic and sitting. It's not a trial and error method. So this much laws are getting stringent. You know, today we are talking, the coal stock is totally questionable now in the country. We are expecting some power crisis. Fortunately, government will look into. So there are petrol price, gas cylinder price. So in this scenario, definitely if somebody working in your clinic, you have to take care of them. Otherwise, they will go to government. This is the reality. Constant fear is there, definitely. You live in the constant fear of growing competition within your industry, around your locality, around your street. And one more shocking news I am telling you, there are many MDS will be there in the room. I am not challenging you, but I am alerting you. Very soon, I am not surprising to get this into implementation. It is already written in the Dental Council of India, the Dentist Rules, DC Act 1948 and further amendments. In the Chapter 3, Duties of Dental Surgeon and Specialists in Consultations. In that, the consultation etiquettes says it is unethical to pay commission. I want to ask you, anyone from the audience, I think it is time to have some interaction also, because can I have Dr. Pasa sir please in the room? Let us have some kind of, otherwise I will be facing.
I'm
Yes,
here.
sir.
I'm here.
Very good evening, sir. How
Good
are
evening.
you? How is your Sunday today?
Very nice. Very nice.
Sir, tell me,
Yeah.
I am, don't think I am today taking this lecture, that's why I am asking. Generally also I am asking, if I am a general dentist, you are an orthodontist, and I am calling you for my clinic for the consultation. Patient paid me, for example, let us think big, 50,000 patient paid me. How much will you ask me as your charge?
Obviously, see, right now what is going on is some places it is 60-40.
60 means I will
Some places it is
take
50-50.
60%, you will get 40%.
So that is
or-
how. Yes. That is in the beginning. Now I have turned the table on off.
Okay.
So it's a 50-50
Oh,
in my
very,
clinic
very
at
good,
least.
very good
I
deal,
don't know
sir.
about the others.
If 50-50
And
is
I
the deal.
no. Let me clear further. Then I went on to do now whatever I pay to the orthodontist, he takes it. I will answer for that also. How?
Okay. So my question is,
Okay.
my
At the end
question
of the
is,
seminar, they will all follow this one.
okay. But that is a very good strategy. But legally speaking, you are paying to the orthodontist. No, that is as per law, it is illegal. See, a dental surgeon should ordinarily be able to deal with all common diseases of the oral cavity by virtue of his qualification and training. However, if the patient requires expert care of a specialist, appropriate references to dental medical specialists may be made according to the nature of the problem. It is the duty of the specialist to refer to the patient back to the patient's original dentist after the treatment of which the referral was made. While the specialist can collect his or fees, it would be unethical to pay commissions or any kind of gratuity to the referring dental surgeon. So, if any specialist coming to you, if you are a general dentist, if you are paying them, then you are doing this unethical activity, and not only you are doing, the person receiving the money also. See, this is law. You don't question me, you go and question the dental council.
I'll come to that. I'll come to that answer.
Yes, sir.
I'll come to that answer. See, then when we are in BDS, I think whoever is there as a MDS or BDS, they all have to pass BDS and then go on with it. Rest of it. So when it comes to now, most of the dentists and dental surgeons, that is why I teach here, as we are not dentists, we are dental surgeons. So BDS stands for Bachelor Dental Surgery. This is what I tell in every seminar, every conference. That itself shows we are surgeons. We are not. When you say surgeons, that means you know in and out of the anatomy, the physiology, the microbiology, the pathology, and things like that related to it. And that all that we all study from first year to final year, no doubt about it. Nobody can say no to this, whatever I'm saying, because everybody has passed the exams with so and so subjects. It's a different entity that colleges, each college has got in different way. They have their own strengths and weakness. So is mine, and so is yours, and so is all those who are present participants. Nobody is perfect in this imperfect world. So with this, I would say that, see, some people do, and some colleges, they do teach endo, some they teach prosto, some they teach to some extent all the subjects, but the only subject which is not touched is the one which you started, that is ortho, unfortunately. Okay, so what happens is, in India, there's a problem. We don't have a unity, first thing, dentist. If you go to a simple vendor, or what I see here in Bangalore, simple coconut thing, you will see that if it is 40 rupees one coconut, it is there everywhere around 40 rupees of the same quality. Of course, if it is a little smaller, then the quality goes, the cost goes. What I mean to say is, if everybody has done the BDS, that means they are all same. But only thing is, you need to upgrade.
Sir, you
How
tell
do
me,
you upgrade? You should
sir,
not blame for the college, because
sir,
yeah.
you tell me why undergraduates, BDS people, are not taught fixed orthodontics in their final year.
Network issue.
I think there is a connectivity issue. We will get back to him. So this is how it goes. So let us move ahead. So the lack of growth is there already. So even after years and years of experience, you don't seem grow your business in the earning. That is also a problem. And this newspaper clipping, you can zoom in and see. Dentists are shedding aprons to join call centers, health insurance firms. And the next line is important. After spending lakhs on education, dentists say they earn a meager of 5,000 to 10,000 per month. And I never suggest any qualified dentist to go and work in these call centers. This is a kind of trap actually, because you see what happened after this post-COVID world, that job also gone. So what about your hard-earned degree, BDS or MDS? After that you went into this distraction, then after that, that also gone. How will you feel about it? I am not sentimental today. I am controlling myself. There are many dentists calling me, telling me, sir, there is no money in the home. I could not buy milk for my child. So I am not saying everyone. There may be some good, very good, affluent dentists are there, creamy dentists are there. How they practice, they know the practice, their own practice. But we have to talk about the reality. So after spending lakhs of rupees, a person who is in big apartments, take in my apartment, the person who is washing car, dry cleaning, and washing the clothes is earning monthly 1 lakh rupees. So I am not comparing. Don't compare. But you tell me how much the earning. What is the average income of the dentist? Type in the chat box, please. Only truth only we will talk about today. What is the average income of a dentist today? Type in the chat box. I want to know how many of you really talking about their mind. What is the average dentist? I am not asking your income. I am not asking your competitor's income. What is the average income, monthly income of a dentist today? That means what is the total income earned by the dentist divided by 3 lakh dentists? At least we can get the rough figure. Type in the chat box. Be genuine. Here nobody is going to file you. Nobody is 15K. Danish Ahmad, congrats. Come out. Dr. Swati, 10 to 15K. Very good. Thanks for being genuine. Karthik, 15 to 20K. Mohammad Wasim, 15K. We have to talk truth. Otherwise, solution may not be possible. Dr. Anjum, 25K. Tell me, 25K. Dr. Anjum, I have 500 applications for job. I am sending you a couple. Please arrange them job. If 25K is there. Supriya, Dr. Supriya, right, 15K, wonderful. Dr. Anchal Singh, 10 to 15K. I really congratulate each and everyone today for being genuine today. There is no sentiment, there is no emotional. Talk about the fact. We are going to reach the solution, I am telling you. Somebody from a Realme phone, no worries, 10K. So I think those who are all joining with their nicknames or their phone names will tell the truth today. So average, I think needless to say, it is 10 to 15K is the dentist earning. So anybody saying here, is your blood boiling? Is your blood boiling or not? How many getting anger seeing this condition? See, we are in the online mode, so no problem. You can give your emotions in the chat box and we will come to reality then. Just 1 minute, get emotional. Nothing wrong. Are we fools? What is this? What is going on? 10 to 15K. Lesser than LKG teacher. We have to do something. So this is the condition. So what is the main factor of these 4 big concerns to develop? What is the thing? Let us scientific. So market saturation is one thing. The oversupply prompts bar on new dental colleges in India. By 2020, it is gone already, but it is old news, but you can make some guess about it. 1 lakh will be jobless. How many of you understand? How many of you agreeing to this? Type yes in the chat box. I am agreeing. 2020 gone. Due to COVID, I suspect more than 1 lakh jobless. You cannot bluff me. I have the newspaper cutting. Otherwise, we have to file defamation about the newspaper. I suppose more than 1 lakh will be jobless. So whatever you have told 10 to 15K is not applicable to these 1 lakh people. Because they themselves jobless. Jobless people cannot earn 1 lakh. Means 10 to 15K. So 10 to 15K is majority of the people. I could say 80% of the people in the pay band of 10 to 15K. I will take one scientific approach. There is one rules called Pareto principle. As per that principle, it is very Western concept. 20% of the workforce, a particular profession, they are earning 80% of the income. So if you take this calculation, out of 3 lakh dentists, what is the 20% of out of 3 lakhs? Around, what is, let me help mathematically sound people. What is the 20% of 3 lakh dentists? So around 50,000 to 60,000 people only earning the whole total income of 80% of income. I am simplifying, I may be wrong, but I am nearing to that conclusion. For example, if you meet 100 dentists, only 20 out of 100 are earning average income called whatever you are thinking in your mind, like 50,000, 60,000, that category. Remaining all earning 10 to 15k, majority. So out of 3 lakhs, there are 1.5 joblessness, remaining 1.5, you get 20% of 50,000 more. So majority of the income we are considered to be, you can say, more or less in the poverty line. More or less in the poverty line. Type yes in the chat box if you agree my calculation. See, I am not doing PhD in this. I don't want to be also. So, but we have to smell the reality. This is the reality. So here if you see that there are, you can search in the net also these calculations. So you will come to the conclusion. You ask your conscience, because you can, you need not hide with anyone. Reality you have to understand. So there is no job, no money. So what can we do? Unemployment is at the peak in health sector, general and dentistry in particular. So in India there are 309 dental colleges producing 26,000 dentists yearly. 30,570 dentists in 2010 versus 26,000 in 2017. This clearly shows there are declining of the number of pass outs in dentistry, which is very dangerous. That means the +2 guys are avoiding dentistry. You can see in 1970 there were 8,000 dentists passed out yearly, and it was rising to 30,000 in 2010, and it is now declining. And I am telling you one shocking information. Out of, before COVID I am talking, in UP 74% seats were vacant in UP. 74%. And throughout the country there are 55% seats are vacant. So you can see overall in India 30% dental seats are vacant in different states is old news. So what I told is current. 70%, 74% in UP and 55% throughout India are vacant. So today there are 3 lakh dentists. The market have their daily income lesser than the income guaranteed under National Employment Guarantee Program. So it is very, very serious issue now. This is the picture you can imagine. So let us have some fun now. So let me type in the chat box, who is lion here? Who is the lion? Type in the chat box. I want to see your imagination come presence of mind. Who is lion here? Can anybody come to the conclusion who is lion here? Dental surgeon is lion. Then who is that other animal?
Dear.
Let us have some fun. Otherwise, you see at least Sunday night. You should not have some. Mohammed Wasim saying patience. See, I am telling lion also dentist. The other petty animal also dentist. Because I don't want to name the animal. You can say the. Can I say it as mighty dentist and powerful dentist and a simple dentist?
Yeah, that's better answer, sir.
Thanks, sir. Because see, I am sometimes people take it otherwise, and they finally send me WhatsApp messages. You should not say like that, like this. So I am very careful. So I could say both are dentists. This is the condition of survival of the fittest issue. So let me go to the next slide. So Dental Council of India also not lying. I am the only single person who is pricing Dental Council of India. Dental Council of India is very good organization. It's very calm, quiet, and they don't take anything seriously. Like I have shown this thing. Just a minute. So you can imagine Dental Council of India. So it's calm. It's not reacting to any of your noises. They are only one thing is they are agreeing. Joblessness is there, overcrowdedness is there. Dentists need to diversify their caption. Everything is they are agreeing, but they don't give the solution. The problem is, I don't know the problem, actual problem, whether their hands are tied or they don't want to concentrate, or they are too much cumbersome, they are taking burden, I don't know. But the solution is not from them. And I am blaming the dental community ourselves for this. Why should we expect every time dental council? The other day I was telling we are planning one conference in Goa. So people are saying, forget about this conference, international conference we are going to have in coming January in Goa actually. For this, whatever we are discussing today, that we are going to sort it out through solution, international solution, through our own councils. So each and every day, dentists caring about the dental council. They used to ask whether even if somebody ordering food in the Swiggy, Zomato, they ask the delivery boy, is this food is approved by DCA or not? So dentists are too much of obsessed. That is why they are not able to serve you. So come out of this. Let us don't pray, petition or protest. Let us come to the business. So don't you think is this the dead end of whatever we have discussed?
Sir,
Don't
let me
think we
come.
are discussing negative things. We have to jump into positivity. Yes, sir.
See, because I just got a one point. So let all those who are present here who have done
I think you have
the
some.
BDS, I think most of them are BDS graduates here. So after BDS, now the trend, BDS has saturated. You have already given the figures. Now MDS is also super saturated. So all those MDS people are going for PhD. Now you tell me why PhD is not recognized by the DCI. Why these people, so-called MDS people, have done it, and why don't they say whether this PhD is recognized by DCI?
Sir, very good question. I think already there are many controversies we are going to create and give the solution. We are not hit and run people. So if you talk about PhD, I don't think whatever the PhD people are claiming after MDS, that is proper. Why I am saying, they are doing PhD under UGC approved universities. So UGC approved universities allowing PhD in their master subjects. So when we have prosto, perio, surgery, blah 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 masters, and you are doing PhD, and there is no masters in UGC side related to these specialties. So I don't think it's a kind of patchwork and to show off and to submit papers. As long as DCA is not coming out with PhD curriculum, I don't think it is proper. I am not saying it's fake or illegal. I am not that kind of person, but I am not seeing any proper, because the other day people are saying I have done PhD in cosmetology, I have done PhD in some polymer chemistry related to prosto. So you can do n number of PhDs, but it is not, according to me, is relevant. We will talk about that related to the legalities also, because I am specialized in medico-legal things and the other things out of MDS. So I will be definitely talking about it and give you the solution. This is not the end day. We will meet each and every I am ready to meet each week. Every week I am ready to meet in this mode. How many of you liking this webinar? Type yes or no in the chat box. Do you want us to meet you people every week and update you, give solutions? Thank you for that response. Let us move ahead. So see this picture. Sometime you will think that fighting something mighty will be looking like this, but don't worry, we are there. I initially started with affirmative dentistry, so I call myself personally as affirmative dentist. Why? Because I am coming out of my chamber and looking for the solution. At least I am thinking in this way. You should appreciate our team. You will also join our team. The team is not, it's not like some handy people are doing it as a small scale industry. It's a big movement we are going to plan. We are already doing it, but due to COVID, it may be sometimes some states we don't have representation. So join with our team. We will make this movement. This is the only thing satisfying me. I have seen my clinical practice. I have been in academics. I am in academics. But only thing when I am getting good sleep is helping few dentists, telling the reality without any personal touch. Tell the reality. So why did
Sir,
we
I'll come to the reality for your.
Yes, sir. You please
On
continue.
your behalf.
Continue 1 minute.
Yeah.
I will have a glass of water and come. Please continue, sir.
Sure. Please have it. As sir was saying, the reality. I'm not praising sir. Sir has sacrificed his private practice to start with all these councils, and whatever he's doing, I can say it's most honorable, adorable, and very obsessive symptom. Now I'll say why it is symptom, because I like to give you in the form of what we do a diagnosis. See, any disease needs a symptoms. It could be single, multiple, or many, whatever it is. Now the question is, what are the symptoms? Now it's collective symptoms make a disease. I hope you all agree with this terminology. And what is the collective symptom? Now Dr. Venkatesh sir, who is speaking here right now, he is one of the symptom, because if the disease has to be cured, there has to be a symptoms, and we are all the symptoms. That's what I would say in a very simple way. Because see, one way or the other, we contribute to the, not necessarily always the financial, some always with the you can say moral support, some through presentation, some through whatever it is. And here in the council, I think we have here Dr. Anshuman, my friend, also has joined, and there are others also who have joined. And see, we are working from more than 20 years. I'm working from more than 20 years. And there are so many doctors here who have joined in the panel as well. So those who have joined, who have just finished BDS, so I would like to say, we are all a part of so-called a very neat, eligible, I would say very fruitful, say there are all the symptoms. Symptoms need not be, I think somebody asked why sir quit the practice. So I just told you, sir quit the practice is because he wanted to bring in.
Sir, let me answer. Otherwise, people will think, practicing.
Yes.
See, I have my dental chair. I have my all equipments packed in a room. You can come and see. I will make an exhibition. I did not quit. I am a dentist. I consider myself born as a dentist. Why I am not practicing currently? The moment you give me 5,000 rupees per extraction and 50,000 rupees for disimpaction, I will restart my practice. Otherwise, I am not here to get into degrade my profession called dentistry. For the sake of 50 rupees, you do extraction, and when you do one extraction, when you do other treatment, RCT, like you will make extraction free. All these things I won't do, because these are all the freebies are creating issues. I am criticizer of, even if you do free, there will be a problem. The patient will return with some swelling in the face, saying that you have done it cheaply, that's why I got swelling. Medico-legal. Why do you do that? So the moment you pay me nicely, I will start. Otherwise, I am not here to start. See, there is a proverb in the forest. I think tiger or lion, I forgot, they won't eat vegetarian food, isn't it? So there should be some principle in our life, because life should not be messy. So that is the reason. There is no other thing. I love my profession. I have my very good hand skill. When I practice, I can create a very good crowd. So let us get it. Don't take personally. So currently the situation is, think about your smart approach, because you already done lot of things in your life. Joining into BDS or MDS itself a sacrifice. The moment you think that you have to do service, it's very sorry affair, because the society is like that. You think profession, what is profession and career? Career with service is profession. You are professional. You are making some treatment and taking money, that is different. But definitely there is an element called service. Apart from taking money, there is a service. That is why it is a profession. Otherwise, it's a job or profession or career. So, sir, I will definitely have you. I think we will fastly run these slides to continuity. Definitely, please help me out. So, there is a tunnel. There is a light in the tunnel. So, definitely, after this total negativity, don't feel now you are negative. I am having the solution. So, the emerging dental discipline is the key now. Invention, the necessity is mother of invention. So, what are all the emerging disciplines? If you come to know little bit, you will be relieved. There are 3 secrets I am going to cover you. What is F1, F2, F3? Because nobody can question today our approach. Whatever I am talking today is already established. I practiced, I felt, I have conducted a survey, I have conducted a research. What are all the 3 Fs? Anybody can type? Anybody attended my lecture already? Can help me out? What are all the 3 Fs? F1, F2, F3, secret number 1, 2, 3. Let us post-mortem today the problem and approach the solution. I will tell you. First F is finance. If you do any work, you should get finance. You should get money. Even the modern Western theories related to the prosperity, they are thinking, they are alerting, when you do the job, first you give it to yourself. How many dentists following this? If you get 1 lakh rupee in your clinic, first 50,000 you have to take it out and put in your personal saving account. Because you have to give it to yourself. At least 50,000 I am telling. Being a dentist, 50,000 is worth. So, remaining 50,000 only you have to give it to your assistant salary, lab person, materials, rent of your clinic. How many of you having guts to practice this? What we are doing? First we distribute to everyone and finally you take yourself. That is wrong. If you are thinking my clinic earning is 1 lakh, 2 lakh and you are not taking for yourself your salary, then you are not doing good to yourself, because that first secret you have to look into. Any solution, anybody giving, today I am giving, anybody giving, any other day giving, you have to ask them whether it is satisfying this principle. First you have to concentrate this rule of finance. Second rule of F, after you are giving to yourself, next F is freedom. I have some dentists, when we call for some outing, when we call for some marriage function, when we call for some event, what they will say, I have my patients, I have my appointments. What is this? You don't have freedom. So that also your solution, when you look for the solution, that should give you the secret number 2, freedom. What is secret number 3? What is the third F? This is family. You are not a bachelor. You are not going to be a bachelor. If you opt for a bachelor mode, that is different story altogether. So whether you are having taking care of emotionally, financially, time wise, you are taking your family, that is third F. If your solution is not satisfying all these three, that is not the solution. Now you tell me, I am making a BDS into MDS preparation, then we are giving some MDS seat. Whether it is satisfying all these three, whether your BDS to MDS, once you become MDS, whether you get financial freedom, whether you get freedom, whether you get proper finance, give it to yourself, particular salary. If BDS 50,000 I told, at least you have to take 1 lakh rupee according to your investments you have made. So after MDS, whether you are able to take out 1 lakh rupee, first 1 lakh rupee to your pocket, then after that you have to distribute to you, and whether you are getting 1 lakh rupee salary in your dental college as a faculty, type in the chat box what is the average salary of MDS faculty. Let us talk about the truth only. I want to know, because whatever I am learning from you, I am going to incorporate in my mind. Dr. Anshuman, you are saying 20,000. I think I no comments. I won't comment. So Dr. Danish 25 to 30K. I am waiting for somebody, write 1 lakh, so that I am having 5,000 applications. I will give it to them. Dr. Karthik is 15K. Now you tell me whether it is giving you this formula, whether it is scientifically approached, whether they are giving you the finance, then it's BDS is better. I think congratulate yourself, all bachelors, BDS, dental surgeons. They have to congratulate themselves. They are better. They are in the better deal now. So hold these thoughts. We will come to the conclusion. So this is the affirmative council for taking care of one of the emerging discipline called forensic odontology, which is proudly calling myself, I am part of this. In fact, I have took this in 2014, and I realized by the time I am the first person to have this masters officially. The second council, affirmative council, I already explained what is affirmative means. Council of Cosmetology and Trichology in Aesthetic Sciences of India, approved by Government of India. All these councils are approved by Government of India. That means Government of India or Dental Council are not our enemies. They are saying grow. Only we are not taking granted. We are going to sit in the DCI office footsteps, and we are waiting for something to them. They are saying you grow. Take this license, take this approval, you grow. And the third one is Oral Maxillofacial Implantology Laserology Council of India, again approved by Government of India. All these three councils are termed to be affirmative dental councils. Why I am calling dental? Because we are biased towards dentists. For example, this council, nowhere it is written dental. Council of Cosmetology, Trichology, nowhere it is written dental. But we promote dentists into this. Why? Because we try to help them out, come and take this domain, because it's only dentists can shine in this field. So we will discuss all this. So we have put some criteria which is the best option for you, because today topic itself, out of MDS, what are all the solutions? What is the mystery after BDS? How to decipher it? We will very finely strike the chord. You wait and watch. We will give you the complete solution. You wait and watch. So it should be fit for salaried job in government or private sector. It is one of the criteria. And first criteria is passed by MDS. Type yes or no in the chat box. Please cooperate. Otherwise, you will also sleep. I will also sleep. Let us full stop all the menace faced by these falsehoods surrounding with the dentistry today. So answer my first criteria, MDS, whether MDS is fitting for salaried job in government private sector. That means if I do MDS, I should get job in government or private sector. I should not be jobless. Is MDS satisfying this criteria? Yes or no, please? Please answer to the first question. if I do MDS today, whether it is Dr. Danish Agamat, I am telling you the question, whether it is fit for salaried job, government or private or not. Yes. Somebody saying yes, somebody saying no. So my answer is no guarantee. Why should I say yes? If I say yes, tomorrow you will come to me, give me job. If I say no, you will send somebody, he got job. So better, there is no guarantee. Second question, ideal for consultancy and freelancing services. Is there any rule that particular treatment is done by only MDS and BDS cannot touch? Then how it will be ideal for consultancy and freelancing services? Tomorrow after MDS, somebody saying you keep it yourself, I will do myself. For example, Dr. Pasha, today's our moderator, he is doing all these things. Even medical side he is doing on his own. If any MDS going to his clinic, he is ending up his student only. 20 years he had done everything. You go to his clinic, many things he had even if you see his clinic, all the things are available, all the departments available. That is not true. So much better than MDS for lower investment. If any course is there, we will think about that course. Create multiple source of income within the specialty. We have to put this criteria. So the fifth criteria should be large scale opportunity across India. It should be giving. So with this criteria, let me approach. Let me try my level best. So what is so good about today's webinar is how to finish a master's program by 2022. How many of you thinking if you are getting masters? See, I am not talking about masters. You again spend 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, all this stuff. Think about, there is a legal solution, there is a very ethical solution, very smart solution. By end of 2022, you will turn up to be a master's satisfying all these criteria. Listen to me carefully. The solution is all about, we are approaching the solution scientifically. The thing should be satisfying all these things, and by end of 2022 you will get the masters. Finished, the game over. When you see everybody doing masters to satisfy all these criteria, and that masters is done by 2022 end, that means you gave the solution. So let me talk about that. So we are going to finish this MSc masters in the particular specialties I am telling you through fellowship. Once you complete the fellowship, you can directly give exam and enter into second year MSc by 2022 January. Then only you will complete in a year. Then if you are willing to do PhD after MSc, as Dr. Pasha told, after MDS PhD is not proper. After MSc only the PhD is there. That is proper under UGC. So BDS, then you complete fellowship in 3 months, October, November, December. Then January 1st you will enter into first year exam and getting result, and entering January to December 2022 December you will get your MSc done under UGC approved university through the councils, affirmative councils. That is the solution. So how it will happen? The role of our councils are the 3 councils: Council of Accredited Forensic Odontologists approved by Government of India, Council of Cosmetology, Trichology and Aesthetic Sciences of India approved by Government of India, Oral Maxillofacial Implantology and Laserology approved by Government of India. All these councils there to speed up, fast track your fellowship in 3 months. From January 2022, you will be given first year exam of MSc Masters as per the arrangement with the university. So from 2022, you will complete. Don't worry, Corona fear will be there, COVID will be there. So by the time the COVID is getting over, you will get out of your Masters. Then it is up to you, you jump into career or you are doing PhD. So this way we are bypassing MDS. We are bypassing MDS to get into better lifestyle, better opportunity with guaranteed approach. So value and growth for money will be there, knowledge, skill, experience will be there, there is no compromise. Success after BDS bypassing the MDS route. So this is the solution. Let me go further. So how many different opportunities you will realistically think if you get masters other than MDS? Let us have some survey. As a freelancing consultant, so all these three councils is offering you, guaranteeing you as a freelancing consultant. Point number 1. You can work in academics as assistant professor. If you are doing a master's in forensic odontology, you will be working as assistant professor in a UGC approved university. You know the salary of assistant professor definitely double the time of MDS. You go and ask with your colleagues or your known people, your neighbors, how much UGC is guaranteeing. DCA is not guaranteeing any salary for MDS. UGC is guaranteeing. If they are not paying in any university, you can complain to UGC. UGC will stop granting. That is called the post in academics through CAFO, Council of Accredited Forensic Odontologists. As a forensic scientist, you can work in all these labs, FSL, crime lab, crime branch, CBI lab, all this. It is fit for, this is one of the masters, CAFO, under CAFO, MSc Forensic Odontology. So you see today you can talk about any case, the sensational case in Mumbai happening involving the Bollywood, forensic is there. They have the play. If you talk about the incident, untoward incident happening in UP, currently going on, forensic is there. They are asking for second postmortem. Everywhere today crime rate is increasing. Everywhere you cannot bypass forensics. So being a dentist, there is only one way of getting into forensics, through forensic odontology. So it is my fascinating field. The newspaper says 50,000 rapes in a year happening. No criminal is going to jail because there is no forensic approach today in India. There are huge demand. You have BDS, complete your MSc Forensic Odontology, get into any one of this route. You will get the job, salaried job, high profile job. So as a research fellow with stipend and PhD also possible, not in MDS. I don't know how many MDS getting stipend for PhD and how many MDS legally joining PhD, I don't know. So here by MSc, then you join research fellow as a PhD. All the three councils, if you do masters, you will get into this mode. I have talked about 3 points. Now 4th point, senior resident in dental medical college also possible through MSc. You can, I will show the proof here. Maulana Azad, here you can see in between the letters, they are asking for MSc because there is no MDS in certain fields. Here it is forensic odontology, there is no MDS, so they need MSc. They are giving salary on par with this pay band. It is written 67,700 to 2,08,700. So this is it. This is also masters. As a speaker in dental academies, what MDS people doing, end of the day, they are also becoming speakers. If I ask any MDS, what are you doing? They are saying, I am running an academy, I am a speaker. So better you do this in 1 year, you complete your masters and get into the speakership. What is the problem? So again, this is one of the opportunity. What I am promising, I am telling you. What I promised initially, I am telling you. 6th option, as a mentor and entrepreneur in your own academy. I told first, finance should be there, freedom should be there, family also should be there. 3 F's should be there. Being a master's, join a PhD and relaxedly do your mentoring job. Peaceful mind. No going, involving in politics, politicking in your dental college. Sometimes they don't pay the salary. Sometimes they pay very minimum salary, but take your time. The problem with MDS working in a dental college is salary also less, your time also not given to you. You have to go there. I am talking about reality. Only truth only we have to talk. Again, I am talking about MSc Forensic Odontology here. Private forensic lab, biotechnology lab, detective agencies, you can get very high profile job. It is up to you. I am not pushing any one discipline. You can choose any of the emerging discipline. I will tell you what are all the emerging disciplines. So there is an expert witness in the court and consumer forum, and even you can help your fellow dentists when you are fighting a case of a dentist, your fellow dentist, patient claiming the ransom with the dentist in the consumer forum, you can go and appear. Because in consumer forum, there is no rule that lawyer only appear. You can also appear. If you have masters in forensic odontology, the part of forensic odontology is dental legal issues, so you will appear. So this is one way. Assisting the dentist, as I told, medical legal cases, dental legal cases. As a salaried consultant, you can work in a legal firm, beauty clinics. How come dentists can work in the beauty clinics? Type in the chat box. I want to see whether you are following me or not. What way dentists can work in a beauty clinic? Don't worry, salary will be more than that of dental college. You can even get share in that practice. Anybody can type in the chat box. Any old students who are following, part of our councils, members, fellows, if anyone here, you can type, how come beauty parlor dentists can work? Nobody is there from our fellowship or from our council as a member. I am seeing in the chat box only questions what, how, why. Let me tell you, no problem, I will tell you. See here the second council, COCTASI, Council of Cosmetology, Trichology, Aesthetic Science of India. We have our trichology related to hair and face cosmetology. So this region currently nobody's area. So when dentists are getting into that fellowship, for example, they can get into their clinics under beauty clinics, and they can do Botox, fillers, other procedures like PRP, PRF, lasers, because that cannot be done by beauticians. That is not right, ethically right to be done by a beautician. So you can go and do. And regarding this OMILCI, Oral Maxillofacial Implantology and Laserology Council of India, so this particular council is looking after implantology, because implantology in India is not regulated, corporates are ruling, and laserology, the next level dentistry, bloodless dentistry. So that also there. I will bring Dr. Pasha how implantology and laserology will turn your career upside down. Yes sir, Dr. Pasha, are you there? I want to know from you how this implantology and laserology will turn the dental, routine dentistry, scaling, filling, drilling, plucking into a new height. Please enlighten us.
Okay, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Very good. I hope end of this presentation. Still a lot way to go. I think we can do this presentation in every probably in about next 8 days or 10 days. Let them get for a little boosted up or freezed up or whatever it is, or become a little symptomatic on all these points which you have given, and they are most welcome to come back for the next meeting. The implantology, see, OMILCI, that is Oromaxillofacial Implantology and Laserology Council, and we have such a beautifully, we have coined this into one, lasers and thing. To tell you one thing, I was the first laser specialist in Karnataka for hard tissue lasers way back 10, 12 years back. And I still challenge whoever it is, those who are present in participants here, to prove that there is any other man in Karnataka having a BioLase hard tissue laser, including the corporate hospitals. So that is my achievement. So to tell you apart from that, since sir asked about the implant and the laser, I started with laser first, and then I switched on to the implant. Now one is blood, another is bloodless. Both we play with it, and we make out of it. And there are many students, I think, in the participants who are already there, they agree with me. And I'm happy that many of my students and the students reference, they have joined. So I'll tell you one thing. very simple way is even today, those who have learned halfway from me or from anywhere, they still do, as sir started with plucking, so that they do plucking, they don't save the natural tooth. That is what I stress upon. First is your saving. So to save, you should know endo. If you know endo, fine. If there is a failure, you do endo surgeries. Still, if there is a failure, you can do again endo surgeries. Still, it is a failure, you can do implant. So there is no end to it. So implants are very important, because since this is not an implant lecture, we had an implant this thing. I think shared all the secrets ethically how to practice implantology. I had given my lecture. I think those participants here, I think they can take the link on that. Now, lasers and implant are very, very important for your uplifting your practice. Whether you do soft tissue, I'm not asking all the participants to buy a hard tissue laser. It's not an easy task, because you have to spend at least not less than 30 lakhs on a machine. Go ahead with the soft tissue lasers. You can practice, and I can help you out through my lectures and things. I may not be able to pull all the participants who have joined here. I will definitely promise all those participants to join for my successive laser implant courses. On behalf of council, I will request my company sponsors to sponsor, freely for the participants who are here, so that you understand first the lasers, and then you will enjoy the about the lasers, and immediately you will start doing the lasers. The second thing is about the implants. Don't think of anything which is hi-fi in the implants, and don't get deviated or phobia from implants. Oh, implant is something big. It is followed by this so and so doctor who has an experience and blah 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 things. So implant also, there is a basic thing we have to start. We are coming up here I think in Bangalore as well as Delhi. We have the links. I think most of them, they know it. Otherwise, you can take it from us later. My only request is, one of these two, we have put it in one council, that is the Umilki Council, where laserology and implantology is a big thing. You can double, triple your source of income. The second thing is your cosmetology, which is, I tell you, is very less followed by the dentist. And we have the General Secretary of Coctasi. I hope she's here there. I think she would be the best example to show. She has given away the dentistry and following the cosmetology. So you can understand, if it was not beneficial, if it was not giving monetary benefit, do you think she would have just shifted to the cosmetology only? Those who are in Bangalore, those who are in Karnataka, they can contact me. I will definitely give General Secretary's number. You can go and meet her. Our one Dr. Akshata Shetty. So that is about Coctasi. That is about the cosmetology, and there's a huge things to learn. As a sir said, there is a courses are there. There's a fellowship is there. Plan yourself with whatever source of income you can. Here we are not promoting that MSc you all have to do. We are promoting that you all should understand, after your BDS, first uplift your basic knowledge. Second, you have to uplift with your emerging disciplines, that is cosmetology, trichology, and related cosmetology, lasers, implants, and forensic. Now, these are some of the 5 things we are going to come up along, apart from this stem cells council, as well as the oncology. It's very hard to get, but we are trying. And January end, hopefully, we are coming up with the international conference, where you will be seeing, apart from this, I'm going to tell you other things also, is apart from lasers, implants, cosmetology, forensic, and there's going to be also ozone. And again, I was the first to do the advanced course on ozone, not only the dental course. There is nothing called as dental course anywhere in India. I can challenge you that, because ozone doesn't act, for one for local or one for systemic. It has got a lot of routes of administration. So you can go ahead with the oral to the aboral with the ozone. So that is one thing. So we will be having ozone lectures, we will be having lasers, we'll be having about the cosmetology, implantology, forensic, and emergency medicines, genetics, cell biology, stem cells, and so on. This is all about emerging, and all these implants and lasers have already emerged. But unfortunately, even at the BDS level or MDS level, I can share anybody MDS thing. They all come to my training center to know more about the the implants. It's a sad part. The BDS MDS people, they do 5 placement, 10 placement of implant, and still they are not happy or they are not confident. And I assure you from our council, whatever we do little program, we will assure you that you get a confidence. It is my promise to whoever joins. The second part is you don't have to pay anything extra if you're coming up to boost your confidence. Whatever we charge you, and that is the difference between the council and the other, whatever other colleges. I can name some few colleges: DY Patil, Savita Dedal, Manipal Institute. They all charge you for fellowship itself around 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs rupees. And there is no MSc as such. So we have launched with the university. You can go ahead with the MSc part in the later stage. Once you build up your practice, once you start earning from your own practice, that's how you go on. That's how I did it during my 22 years of my practice. And that's how still I am doing it. As sir said, keep it for you 50%. And that's what makes you little further investment in the next year. Plan yourself that this year I'm going to go for this. Nobody can finish everything in one day. I have not finished, cosmetology, implantology, laser, and so many things in one go. It is not possible. So please stick to small things, develop that, integrate into yourself, and then proceed. So become yourself so affirm that you don't get distracted from your affirmative dentistry. So, sir, with this, I'll pass on to you. Thank you.
Sir, today whoever presenting till end, they are getting a cool gift today.
Yes,
And
sir.
also there is a solution we have promised. So definitely the solution will be, everybody sitting here will appreciate. I am challenging. The
So I
solution
think
will
after this, sir, I think we have almost done for an hour. So why not let us participants ask their doubts? So open up, let them raise their hand.
Yeah,
I think
definitely we
you,
will have that. Give me some
yes,
5 minutes. I will finish up the rest of the slides and I will be free for
yes,
questioning, so that
yes.
the solution, the bitter pills we have given, so we have to give some honey. So let us finish it off. So moving ahead, we can, according to our criteria, the masters we are giving you giving you the solution bypassing the MDS should be giving this, like if you apply to various government agencies like ICMR, there is no counterpart of dental here. Indian Council for Medical Research, COVID, how much role they are playing. So Department of Biotechnology, and you can get funding when you get masters in these fields. I don't know how many MDS will get funding in going and approaching them. In armed forces, the options are there. As per the news, there are 600 forensic odontologists, they are saying. I am not saying. IDA president said to army between them, they are saying, but they don't have the solution. So the opportunities abroad. Remember, MDS is not valid in Pakistan. MDS is not valid in Bangladesh also. So this is it. And if you come to the question, I am asking you, how many ways that masters in these different councils, affirmative councils, can beat MDS? Type 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in the type box. Just type in the chat. I am going to classify 1, 2, 3. Just I want to see the guess. Just put a number 1 to 10. How many numbers? Let us see the guess. Here I am going to tabulate, compete with MDS, compare. It's very interesting. Just type in the chat box. How many ways MDS will be beaten by the counterpart? Any guess? You can type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nobody is ready to take a challenge. You should not lose the game. Dr. Akhil typing 5, Dr. Arshita 4. They are closer. Let me finish. There are 7+ ways we can beat MDS by these masters. How? In entrance exam, MDS, nobody is giving you without entrance. You write to NEET. Here there is no entrance exam right now. Maybe in future. Right now there is no entrance. Capital donation, MDS donation, I don't know. I don't want to tell because I don't have that link. If anybody here willing to guide the community, even guide me, tell me what is the donation expected for MDS. Just type in the chat box. I am not going to leak this video to any other person. Just for the sake of updating our knowledge. Any person having resources, tell me what is the rate for MDS as a donation. I don't think it will be given free. 12 lakhs per year, very good. Any other alternative figure? It still look costly. Dr. Swati, please clarify, it is 12 lakh, it's including fees or only donation? It covers the fees? Okay, anyhow, everybody knows it's an open secret. So there is no such donation for MSc. Average salary, I have written here 18,000 to 25,000 per month for MDS. Anybody having objection can write in the chat box. Oh, Dr. Swati, it is very, very, very sorry to say that it's not included in the fees, means it will be going more than 20 lakhs if you include the fees, minimum. So here in MDS, 18,000 to 25K per month I have written. Any objection, please register here. Don't go in the Facebook and write, I have degraded the profession. Don't write that. Don't do that. Here only you just come and argue. The average I have written here 18,000 to 25,000. I am very much generous. That's why I put here. Here in after MSc, minimum 50,000 guaranteed. If you don't get, you come to me. We will pay you from council. But you have to work. You should not simply quietly sit and ask 50,000. You have to work. Anybody opposing, you can oppose. Otherwise, it's done. I will take it as a past. This is kind of, dental court of justice going on here. Sunday evening, we are having this hot discussion. Opportunities in MDS continue to be a dentist, assistant professor, consultant to BDS. And it is very, very pathetic condition when you consult BDS. BDS will catch the case and they will give it to you. That is nothing but working under BDS. After getting MDS, you are work under BDS as a consultant, literally. So here in 12 different opportunities, I have discussed already. 1, 2, 3, 4, I have already discussed. International validity, MDS not valid in Pakistan or Bangladesh also. Here it is valid, internationally valid. The course related to it is in MDS, you have to serve the HOD, you have to bring chai, coffee to HOD, you have to do all the works, nepotism. Yes, Dr. Asfia, valid in all countries, like Covishield. Dr. Asfia, you have done Covishield, I think. It is valid or not internationally? Just like that, MSc is valid in, MDS is just like Covaxin. MDS is like Covaxin, it is not valid outside India. You go to Pakistan or Bangladesh, your MDS not valid. Thanks, Dr. Asfia. Thanks for clearing. So if you go to Bangladesh, you show your MDS, they won't recognize you. And lot of hard work involved. Here in MSc Innovative, very easy. MSc syllabus you can complete in 3 months. Whatever MSc, what is there? You have already passed your final year BDS. What is there in MSc? You can take it as a cakewalk. I am having confidence on you people. So MSc Innovative, Diversified and Thrilling, here it is opposite. And the trend, future is nothing. MDS is just like a dark funnel. Anybody can argue, I have the facts, figures. Here huge possibilities. You can do PhD as Dr. Pasha told. So seats are vacant, dental council lowers eligibility for PG. All these games I am telling you, all this NEET, all this entrance for MDS, just to make the gimmick of filling the seats. Lot of seats vacant. I can name the colleges. You just go and fill the fees. You go exam directly. There are some colleges, many specialities. The other day I was talking to my friend. They are saying, "What are you doing?" I am doing MDS. But you are sitting all the time here in the clinic. How you are doing MDS? He is saying, not only me, lot of people doing MDS directly going. Just pay the money, go and give the exam. Lot of courses, lot of specialties in MDS going on. Nobody is there because you know the very reason. The situation is totally out of control. So in COVID, needless to say, you pay the money, sit at home, get the degree. And exams also, you know, your examiner also same way he had passed MDS. Your examiner is knowing less than you, and he will be in private. Many people I have seen, my juniors, where they hardly passed any BDS. They are calling themselves now professors, HOD, principal, all this going on. So that is why I am sometimes getting headache. All this news, I never associate with all these things. So truly speaking, the master should be helpful to you, elaborating your horizons of understanding. The knowledge should be going up. But what in MDS doing? Same thing. What you have done in BDS, same thing you are doing. Only the thing is, first year you will do preclinical, up to 1 o'clock you will do OP, Thursday or Friday you will do seminar, and finally you will give some dissertation and you get MDS, and you are calling MDS. And because of that MDS ego, you are not able to get the patient, because all the patient giving people are BDS, and there is a what kind of chemistry, I don't know, you know better. So the trend is not many opting for MDS because DCA is lowering. That means what? Going on the downside. So desperate MDS graduates ready to sell their skills gained in their 3 years time in 3 days hands-on programs. Roundabout, you go big, making a big around and back to square one. So better you directly do. And again, here is the shocking news. DCA notice issued to all states, registrars, all the dental councils, unauthorized certificate courses. If I am a MDS, I am running a certificate course in my clinic, it is illegal. That certificate, if any dentist using in their clinic, they will be punished, they will be arrested, they will be sued, they will be fined, they will be called for the consumer actions, because it is declared by illegal by DCI. That is why instead of playing with scaling, filling, drilling, better you take your fate in your hands. So the cost of education MDS versus MSc is, let me compare. In MDS, somebody told 12 lakhs donation plus. So it is plight of MDS is here. You can see the ads will start coming after NEET exam. So this is the market trend. Somebody written in the Facebook also. It's long back. I just made a cutting. So Ortho Endo 24 lakhs, Pedo Prosto 15 lakhs, Perio PhD 12 lakhs, OMR OP 7.5 lakhs. Number is there. I am not his agent. Please, just I have made the cutting. I should have screened this number. So the salary is less than this play school teacher. How many of you agreeing this? MDS salary is less than play school teacher. I am talking about salary, not your earning in your clinic. That BDS also can earn. Just type yes or no in the chat box. Yes, thank you for understanding. So the cost of education, I already told I am a very generous person. I have put the cost of MDS minimum 18 lakhs for 3 years. This is a bare minimum. Lesser than this, if anybody offering MDS, reserve 2-3 MDS seats, somebody will be needing it from these 33 people. Anybody giving lesser than this rate, somebody will be, contact each other, enjoy. I don't know. So given that MDS cost 18 lakhs, how much is the reasonable total price to spend on MSc? Just type in the chat box, then only I will give you the honey pills. Type in the chat box, guesswork, some guesswork. How much will be the MSc cost? We have made into Very simple. 3 months fellowship from January, pass first year MSc, get into second year MSc. End of the 2022, you will get the off the charge Dr. Lakshmi Srinivasan Priya writing. Let us see. Let the fingers crossed. No fees is given to me. I am telling you this given to the university, and the council is in between. Why? Because these are all the new courses. We have to monitor. We cannot give it to the university for their own style. Then they will dilute here also. They will mushroom here also. The council is with you. There is no business of HOD will rule you, HOD will fail you. No business at all. Council. The council are affirmative councils, as I told. And you can also part of the council. Anybody here willing to be part of the council as a member? Just type in the chat box, we will call you. We will make some kind of interview and we will take you. So, total cost of all this MSc, for example, take it for example MSc Forensic Odontology. Shall we charge 20 lakhs? Dr. Pasha, what do you say? 20 lakhs shall we charge for MSc? Because we are giving 50,000 monthly salary. MDS people are giving only 25,000, 18,000.
So 2 times, half of.
Half of. You want to give a discount, further discount.
See, they are going to get almost.
Pardon?
They are going to get whatever you have mentioned. They're going to get at least 2.5 times more. So salary is increased. Second, they're going to get 1/4 of the cost approximately. So I think that is the Diwali Dhamaka. That's all I can say.
Shall we charge 15 lakhs then? 5 lakhs? Because you senior person, main key person in the council, you are recommending 5 lakhs discounted. Shall we go that?
I think we should give them within 5 lakhs for the 2 years.
No, that much and all, it's not true. Because there should be, otherwise the people will think some scam. Because dentist easily said, no, I told Swiggy boy also they are asking, where food is approved by DC or not. Okay, for the sake of your face, we have reduced 50%. Now I think you and your students will be happy.
Definitely.
But I have promised there will be a honey pill after this bitter pill.
Yes.
So even if I tell about 8 lakhs, we are planning to implement from 21st January. So currently take it from me, this is the fees. For whole 2 years, MSc, take it, and that too for 2 years. So how many of you here still awake? Type in the chat box. What is your expectation and what is your opinion? And also, how many of you willing to take action? Why the low fee? I will tell you. Because just your fellowship will be covered, don't worry, in the fees only. There is no separate fees for fellowship. Let me clarify. You will be
no.
masters. Fellowship will be incorporated inside. If you want to do separately fellowship,
yes,
you can approach us. You can do. Otherwise, for make it simple, I am saying, concentrate on MSc. Fellowship is incorporated, and we are going to finish our fellowship in 3 months. The same teacher is going to teach you MSc also. The university will come into picture after your fellowship. There is an agreement between council and the university that whoever having our fellowship, they will be admitted directly, given all ticket to first year exam. After December end or so, according to the COVID situation, you will write exam. If COVID is there, there will be very good opportunity. Online exam will be there, very easy. Practical will be conducted in your city by the council. So after January, you will be in second year and complete your second year by way of doing some cases and dissertation. This is the credit system I am telling you. Listen to me carefully. In the credit system, there will be some credit, for example, 100 credits to fellowship and remaining 100 credits to the masters. So totally 200 credits, for example. So that is how it goes. So you are here, that is why it is, you are early adopters. So that is why the fees are very less. So we want action takers. And this offer is available today only. Tomorrow you don't even call me, because the council people will kick me out, because I am giving this after having a lot of discussion with the universities and other members. Today people are listening to me, listening to the councils, all these measures. So you have to make this 10,000 immediately. You have to block. I will give you till tomorrow 10 o'clock time. Till tomorrow Monday 10 o'clock time, you have to deposit 10,000 and block the seat for this scheme. So MSc spot you have to block. So 10,000 will block your seat. There is no entrance. Free detailed consultation you can avail. This is 100% refundable. If you don't want to join further, you can get refund. But that time, if it is passed, then you cannot ask refund. You pay 10,000. Before paying the rest amount, you can take refund. So once you paid 10,000, after that you paid next installment, there is no refund, because we have to be in a safe mode. Otherwise the council is coming to help you and it should not be in trouble, because the fees should be paid to the university. So where to study, what is the fee structure, everything I will here answer your questions. So 100% assured for this thing. So this is Dunversity, the project Dunversity. The Dunversity is just like, I will tell you simply, like Zomato, Swiggy, without kitchen they are giving you money. Like Amazon, without factory they are giving you the products. So without mortars and bricks, without having the real buildings, Dunversity is working as a mediating educational mediator between the, like you can call it as a OYO. OYO is giving you without having infrastructure, they are giving. Here Dunversity is not willing to create buildings and make you pay for that. So Dunversity will work with the council and it collaborate with the universities. And finally UGC approved university will be offering you the MSc degree. Again I am repeating, 3 months fellowship, 1 year MSc. In around 1 year before 2022 December you will get masters with placement. So all this I have told. 10,000 is blocking and 40,000 will be confirmed after confirming. 1.5 lakhs you have to pay before exam. After getting 1.5 lakhs you will get the hall ticket. So no entrance. Next batch will have an entrance exam. Education loan also available. You block the seat, then you can go for education loan also. The Dunversity will help you out. So there are 2 options in front of you. Do nothing. Nothing will change. Nothing. The world will not fall if you don't take action, or you can take action. So let me give you this. You can note down these WhatsApp numbers, and also I can arrange the link for you in the chat box. You can check the links. Rest of the people can think, and if people are not interested, they can leave the room. This is wholeheartedly we have made this plan. See, all the details will be given, don't worry, but you have to block the seat, otherwise it will be very hard to them. Only 10 seats available under this plan. You can go and block the seat. I think you can click and block the seat. By tomorrow 10 o'clock, till tomorrow 10 o'clock the link will be there. You can block the seat. And now we are coming to the cool gift. If anybody thinking I don't have money, I have nothing, I want to do something, but currently I am not, all these excuses will come. Don't worry, don't do that, don't do anything. Just join with us, we will help you out. Don't ask us money monthly. We are not here to We are here to teach you fishing. We are not going to give you fish. You join with the team and take some work, take some target and work with us. So you can work with us. This is the affirmative councils and our sponsor Dentrans. So you can join me. Join me if you don't have anything, nothing to do, where to start, nothing. You have to have. Join with me. I will help you out. What can I do? This is the offer today. Those who have listened to me till the end of this time, if you don't have anything, don't have money, nothing, join with me. We will help you to finish off your dream career. So I think 30 people are there. It's very, very tremendous experience to talk about the truth in this odd time. Dr. B.K. Arora, you joined late. So how can we explain? So Dr. B.K. Arora, you please come on the screen. We will talk each other. It will be easier to me. Others also can bear with me. Dr. B.K. Arora, I hope you are not driving or something like that. Dr. B.K. Arora, can you start video? Yeah. I will shortly explain. See, the
Please.
scheme is many people telling me, if you are saying MDS is not fruitful, or MDS is wonderful, no issues, but practically it is not the need of the hour. If you are in, for example, if somebody got COVID, okay, we have to immediately save him. We cannot say him, you have to take your daily routines, you have to practice yoga, you have to practice pranayama and all. Isn't it? Am I right? So MDS, when I criticize, when I say for our sake, our dental community, what is the solution? People are asking. So what I told, it should be shorter time, it should be faster, it should be financially making you possible, and you should have proper freedom. So other than MDS, there are some masters approved by the councils, our 3 councils, you know that. So when you go with that councils, other than this MDS, how we will finish up very fastly. So 3 months will be the fellowship, October, November, December. From January we will write first year exam, and from January onwards second year, you will be in second year MSc. Because in fellowship we complete all the credits fastly. You get the idea? So second year MSc if you join, 2022 you will finish up MSc. So total fees 4 lakhs. So 10,000 you have to block and get the seat blocked, and you will start your journey. So first year you will complete, second year you will be completing in 2022 December probably. So you get masters, having comparatively better masters. Yes, you can ask, shoot your questions. See, total fee is 4 lakhs. You can block your seat by 10,000. We are not saying you pay fully. And once you pay 10,000, you can pay in installments also. That is the beauty of this project. And you will complete by 3 months. Yes, for all the courses under this MSc, you need not pay the whole amount right now. 10,000 you pay, block and join the course, and you write exam in 3 months, first year exam. We will be making you prepared for the exam, because the agreement between the university is fellowship is equivalent to first year. Yes, Dr. B. Arora. people known, understood can leave the room slowly, so that instead of abruptly ending the meeting, you can keep leaving the room once you got the idea. Rest all, you have my number. I can give you the link also, number also. You can contact me. Today's idea is to give some idea about, many people are asking me what is the solution. So this is the solution.
Sir, MSc in which field, sir?
MSc in forensic odontology, cosmetology, trichology, and implantology. I will write in the chat box also if you want. MSc in all the councils. I think people are very much aware of these councils. This is one, forensic odontology, then cosmetology and trichology. Again, MSc in all the offer is 2 lakhs per year. We have compared lot of comparison between MDS versus other than MDS masters. The beauty is, here you need not spend 3 years, wastage of time. I don't know why 3 years in MDS spending. Again you come back, again the routine, same square back to square one. You just send me my personal message, because I could not see your name. Redmi 9 is showing. So you come to me, because I don't personally send all the details and disturbing you, because I have around 6,000 contacts. If all start asking me, it's very difficult to reply each and everyone. That is why I conduct this webinar. So here only you can, if you have any doubt, here only you can ask. It is very simple. We are giving a solution for the problem with the MDS. When we criticize MDS is not the solution, we have to come out with the solution. The solution is this: fastly you complete masters, and having globally recognized masters, getting masters in emerging disciplines, and get better future. Yeah, you can contact, I just put my number for easy way of contacting.
Excuse me, sir.
So these are all the courses we have made agreement with the universities. These are all not publicly. We want to go and recruit the people. We don't want to dilute. You understand? So it is council control we are handling. Dr. Ashfia, you are there in the group. I think I have seen your name in many of our meetings and conferences. You can contact me. Definitely we will help you out. Money is not the problem. Money, you forget about money. Money will come. You first decide. Money always will come. Money will follow you. Don't think about money. I don't have money. Nobody having money. Everybody having their expenditure more than that of reserve. You decide. You tell me the solution. From next webinar, I will take your solution. I will give it to the dental community. If I am saying to anyone, go and join MDS, means what? I am getting some commission for MDS admission. That is it. Otherwise, it is a misguidance. I have the proof. Yes, sir. Dr. B.K. Arora, if you have any doubt, you can ask me shoot me the questions, because you are a senior person and your weightage is needed for this council. Because we have to do something for this community. They are very talented people. BDS is more than enough to survive, but the problem is they have given the word called B, bachelor. That is the problem. As long as the word B is there, you want to convert into M. That is the whole game. Sometimes patients also asking, are you bachelor or masters? So let us make this game. Let us do masters.
Sir, is it recognized?
Pardon?
Sir, this course is recognized by which university, sir?
See, university itself recognized by our council. You think in other way. Council is recognized by government and council is recognizing the university. University is under the council. Not that recognition with the university is not a great thing. University is waiting there for take you. What is there? University, if you go, frankly speaking, there is no student. If any university telling you, come and join, you have to tell to the university which council approved you. Slightly change your question. These courses are conducted by the council itself. There is no question of approval. We ourselves approving the university. What are the courses? MSc courses. MSc is not a great thing, but it is a master's. It is for the trend. Without that, you cannot do PhD. And it is globally recognized.
This will be a 2-year course, sir.
Pardon?
This will be a 2-year course.
2 years course, but as per the credit system, we are making it to your favor. Like within a year, 1.5 year, 1 year, 3 months, we are equating that credits and finishing that 2 years. You will get a 2 years mark sheet. First
Total
year
course
directly appearing by way of getting fellowship.
total cost will be 2 lakh 4 lakh.
4 lakhs, okay. 4 lakhs, it is covering your fellowship also. Fellowship also it is covering.
Courses will be online, sir.
COVID, thanks to COVID, you understand. Offline means what? Offline also nobody can shake you. You can do your practice in your clinic and submit the cases. For example, you are doing cosmetology. We will say 5 cases of your Botox, do your crow feet, your upper face, your forehead, 4 cases. Finish the record book and submit the thesis and attend the classes. Dr. Asfia, freshers only I am saying, it's a very good opportunity. You can join. Freshers only can do wonders. See, freshers, you are all people are talking about freshers. I am telling you, in IAS exam, IPS exam, 21 years person cracking and taking the control of whole district. What are you talking about fresher here? You are already 23 years old. Fresher means what? You can do anything in the world. Join MSc and fly out of the country if you want. I am not saying go out of the country. Opportunities are plenty. Just because you become a dentist, your fate should not be in a small corner. That is the problem. And fate is just like that. I will give you simple analogy. When you are standing, when you raise one hand, one leg actually, the other leg cannot be lifted. This is called fate. You have done BDS, that doesn't mean you have to do MDS. Many people, they have forgotten the 5 years of BDS as a bad dream and moving ahead. I am not saying that. Stay back. Fight it out. But use your smart approach. All these councils, we are doing it wonderfully throughout the country. Forensic odontology, we are having our own council. Cosmetology, trichology, we are having our own council. Implantology, laserology, we are having our own council. All these council joining with the university made into that MSc program, utilize it. And fees also very, very reasonable if you compare the facility. 2 lakh per year you can get from patient also. For example, you joined MSc oral implantology, you can take that 4 lakhs from the patient only and pay. That is what I am saying. Block your seat. I am giving the link and we can close down for today. We can meet again if the time permits. So take this link and block the seat. This is not like BDS, MDS, 30 seats, 40 seats, only 10 seats. We won't take more than that as per the agreement. So block the seat by before tomorrow 10 o'clock. After that, this offer won't be there. You have to pay whatever the fees published in the website, in our website. You keep checking our websites. Just check in the chat box. I have given the website. See, all the people I cannot handle on my own. So that is why I called for this webinar. So this is how we have to help our community. We have to give the solution. Simply, there is no such, no hope, no scope in MDS. Simply saying I don't agree with that. We have to give the solution. Without solution, we cannot criticize. So you keep visiting these websites. So this offer won't be available there. Only for special occasion like this, we have made this offer. So go and block the seat before tomorrow 10 o'clock, and you will be very much within the team of 10 people. As a challenge, we will settle you. So with this note, thanks for joining. We are going to wind up. Dr. Pasha, are you there? Before winding up, if you want to say anything. I think some connectivity issue. So with this note, we conclude this webinar. I think many found useful, and we have argued with the facts and figures. Thanks for joining. Good night and goodbye. Yes, Dr. Bopanna. Yes, thank you.